Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how you can add an extra family member to your Disney Plus subscription. Let's dive right in. So, a quick problem, Disney Plus is not available in my region, but it's no matter. I'll go ahead and explain the steps to you step by step. So, in order to go ahead and add a family member to your Disney Plus account, all you have to do is go to your premium plan navigation panel. Once you're there, you will see an option which will say add an extra member to your subscription. This will allow an extra member to have access to all your Disney Plus content for an additional monthly fee. Now keep in mind, this is not free. You will be billed. You will see the charges once you are about to confirm the extra member option, and you'll have to go ahead and accept these charges on top of your billing to go ahead and activate this option. It's as simple as that. Once you've gone ahead and paid for it, your extra member will have access to your Disney Plus content. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.